Delicious, yummy, Mexican-inspired food. Let's get cooking. Hey y'all, the official name of this recipe is Turkey Taco Quinoa Skillet. That's a mouthful. But I don't use the ground turkey, I use the ground hamburger. So you can use whichever you choose, and I'll note that in the recipe down below. But this is a yummy comfort food kind of like meal that's easy to make on the truck and easy to make in your 12-inch skillet. And all one dish, all in one skillet. So that's why we love it. We cook it at home, we cook it on the road. You can pre-cook your hamburger if you want out at home before you get out on the road, or you can cook it out on the road, and we do that sometimes. We do both. It's faster if you've already got your hamburger meat cooked up, as you know the grease and draining and all that, but no big deal if you don't. We did it both ways. So it's got quite a few ingredients. Let me see if I can show you here. Don is busy at the moment, so we're going to film some of this without him. But take a look at the hamburger meat that we've already got cooked up. Hope that didn't make you too dizzy. And then there's a lot of ingredients, but it's all stuff that you usually got on hand or easy to pick up along the way if you pick this stuff up. And I did pick up a few things after we were out because I didn't have them at home. But I've got some canned corn, I've got salsa, I've got some black beans, fire roasted tomatoes. Use these in all your recipes. Anything that calls for canned tomatoes, fire roasted adds so much flavor because they've been fire roasted and they've got a few spices and things added as well. They're delicious. They add to all your recipes. And then there's things like cumin and chili powder, and then quinoa. And I don't know if you guys are familiar with quinoa. This has already been rinsed. You have to rinse it. It's a grain, and it's always a little bit dirty, like if you do dry beans or something and they're they have dirt and stuff. These do too, but you just rinse them with water a few times so the water runs clear, and then you're good to go. Of course, salt and pepper always, and cheese. We're going to top this thing with cheese. And I've got the Colby and Monterey Jack blend. I'll probably throw a little cheddar in there too. Whatever cheese you have on hand is good. So let's get this started. Again, we've got the hamburger pre-cooked. But, oh, I almost forgot the garlic and the onions that are in the hamburger meat combination. You guys have done that a million times, I'm sure. Sauteed your hamburger, your garlic, and your onion all together. Don't put your salt and pepper in just yet. And then, like I said, you can do it on the truck, or you can pre-cook it before you come out and bring it with you. And then get ready to have a good, warm, yummy meal. So, let's get started. Okay guys, so basically all we're going to do, we're taking this 12-inch skillet again. I've already got the tomatoes in there. I've got the corn in there. I forgot to mention that the green chilies are in there. All this is going to be in the recipe, but you want to put those in there. You want to drain the corn, the black beans. You do not want to drain the goodness off of those tomatoes. Don't drain those tomatoes. Add all your spices. I've got the cumin, I've got the chili powder. I'm gonna add a little extra garlic, and I may just add a pinch more of the spices. I usually do that just to give a little more flavor. But also your salsa and your quinoa. All right, and we'll mix this all together and get this simmering, and I'll meet you back here.
Well, I'll tell you what, guys, I wish you could smell what this truck smells like right now. Man, it smells good.
Yummy. How's it taste, driver?
This is one of my favorite dishes that Trish makes, and it's really easy too. There's a chicken recipe that she makes that's kind of similar to this, and that's another one of my favorite ones.
And a pizza one, we'll do videos for those. But is it driver worthy?
It is driver approved. Man, I wish y'all could smell this. This is good stuff.